Hi, my name's John Erickson, and I'm here with Heroine at a photo shoot for her upcoming film. Can I just say, you look fantastic. Tell us what you did to prepare for the role.
Thanks, Jose.
I know it was tough getting the film off the ground until you personally campaigned for it. Why was it so important to you?
For me, the film sends a message to girls everywhere that we can be strong, that it's okay to be strong, because when we're strong, there is no obstacle we cannot overcome.
And speaking of obstacles, let's talk about tabloids, because I know that's been difficult for you. Having paparazzi following you everywhere, people always speculating about your love life.
Yeah, it's funny how reporters I've never met claim to know more about my love life than I do. Anyway, it's all just rumors.
What about the rumors that you're recording an album? Any truth to those?
Those rumors are true. I'm recording my first album, which is a big deal for me.
But you're not done with acting just yet. Sources tell me you're slated to play Princess Diana in The People's Princess. Are you excited? Nervous?
Definitely both.
Well, I think it's safe to say that this is just the beginning of what is sure to be a long and illustrious career. We wish you all the best.